In Dragon School, young dragons raced through the sky and mastered the art of flame. Emberly tried hard, but his wings tangled and his fire barely flickered when it mattered most. Tests meant crash landings and scorch marks on homework. His report card a parade of needs improvement. Restless with disappointment, Emberly sat by the pond, until a surprised Bert produced a glowing fire bubble, shimmering and warm. Dragons gathered, amazed by a magic no lesson had taught. Though Emberly failed the usual way, his brilliant fire bubbles showed that every dragon has their own way to shine.